Hello and welcome to this module. In this module, we are going to talk about data mining using R. Now, what we are going to cover in this module? Cluster analysis techniques. Now, what is cluster analysis technique? Cluster analysis technique has a variety of goals. For example, I want to cluster my customers. Suppose I have a credit card company and I want to segregate my customer into platinum customer, gold customer, or silver customers. How can we do that? We're able to do that by maybe understanding the spending score of a customer, maybe the salary of a customer, maybe a location or something else, right? So we have to decide how we can segregate the customers into various clusters. Not only customers. Suppose I have another business problem where I want to cluster my employees, maybe good employees or excellent employees or low performer employees, like that. So I can do that. So there are various use cases which we can implement to get the clusters. Now there are two major type of methods which we are going to use in this module. The first one is k-means clustering and second is hierarchical clustering. These are popularly used most of the companies and it is very powerful tool to have. This is an unsupervised way of learning. What does that mean? Now consider that I want to create a cluster of customers. Suppose one of my customer is a platinum customer, one of my customers is a gold customer. Now in that case, I cannot prove that whether that customer is platinum or gold, right? So there is no proof where I can check whether it is correct output or not. And that is what unsupervised is. I cannot supervise. I cannot say that, okay, this is what my customer is. It's just the feature which he has or she has. Because of that, it is making it as a cluster or making it as a platinum customer. So this is what about the clustering is. Again, a lot of business problems are highly used. Sometimes we use it for marketing as well. Suppose I have thousands of customers and my budget is very less. I can only target 100 customers. What I can do, I can create a cluster, and what I'll do, I'll hit on that particular cluster where the chances of those guys are more to purchase the product. For example, I have customers with various spending scores and salary. For example, I have 5 clusters. First one is low salary and low spending score. Second one is low salary and high spending score. Third one is low salary, or I can say third one is high salary and low spending score. Fourth one is high salary and high spending score. And finally, fifth one is average customers. Now, what type of customers you will target? Suppose I have a product which is very expensive and I want to market that particular product. The target customers will be low salary and high spending score, because there are chances that they will purchase the product because their spending score is high. Or second is high salary and high spending score. So there I can say, okay, these are the two clusters where I can target, and the chances of getting those customers conversion ratio will be more because their spending score is high. So by creating this cluster, now I am reducing total number of customers for marketing purpose. Maybe in these two cluster we have 250 customers, so we'll target only 250 customers and try to see how the performance is. But that is narrow down the total number of customers where you have to target, and that is the power of clustering.